one of you recently just wrote me on support like, hey, I can't find where my client scans are. So once you go to the back end, you go to fit3d.com/login and you log in, there's two places you can look. So if you click this icon with the three people, right here it says My Clients. And here you can search for any person, right? And they will show up. If you don't have anyone listed here, it's going to show the most recent scan. Okay. Now, if you are just seeing your own results, likely if you're on this heart icon, and these are your scans, right? So we decided like the color scans, right? This is just me in my home office. But the point is like this is what you should be looking at, right? So if you don't see this icon right here, that either means you haven't registered an admin for your facility, at which course you should let us know via support, service@fit3d.com, and we can set an admin, or you just literally have to click on this icon and then click back to My Clients. So I hope that helps. Once you're here, there's two things to look at. So one is to view your client scans, right? You can click the eyeball or hit this little clipboard, and that will bring up their scans. The other thing, if the access level here says limited, you can request access. And so what this means is that they actually set their privacy to be private. Fit3D allows for 3 levels, none, partial, or full. And so that is set after they take the scan. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.